So what we got going on here is setting up for, this is gonna be day 2 of shooting the last night in Havana video. Do a little setup, just set the stage for what's gonna go down and how it's gonna take place. I got wardrobe here. Let me show you this wardrobe real quick. I got wardrobe here. You know, shorts, a shirt specifically chosen to with shoes, you know, to go with that. And then wardrobe number 2. A little Under Armour shirt, some joggers, and a work shirt. All navy blue, black for the shirt. And then I've got black Air Force Ones to finish it off, you know, the black on blacks. Yeah, so I'm gonna set this up and I'm gonna finish doing this setup here and get this all situated for the video shoot.
He was in the place where I start, hit the laugh, but not so fast. I can see me sitting in the seat from where I stand.
Damn.
And that's when my man raised his hand for a question and said, can I test your worth? Rhetorical. Who's worse, you or that nigga that don't even recognize his own image in the mirror? I'm your soul nigga, and I know that you don't recognize what I look like, but yo, you definitely.
So to create this soft light, what I did was I took an aluminum baking pan, literally $2. The metal piece, the little metal clip I got in the inside is just a piece of stiff metal wire that I found. Took the baking pan, molded it around this bucket. Dollar Tree tissue paper for $1. A little hair scrunchie. You got a soft light, a dome soft light. It's like $3 at Dollar Tree. With this one, it's pretty much the same configuration, but took a delivery box, put a hole in it. So I cut a hole in it, and I cut a cross into it, and I folded the edges back, put it on the hole. If you had like a wire clothes hanger, or even the wire on the inside of it, you can just get it to bend small enough around that without breaking it. You want to shape it and mold it first, but I took that, I have that inside mounted as a clip onto it to keep the box in place. But this is a little tip, little box trick. And then now I got my soft light. I can use either or for my main, for my headlight, you know, the one that faces the subject. And I can use either one for my kicker, which would be like a backlight to show definition.
My last night in Havana, better not miss the flight. Never wanna be stuck in some shit again like this, alright? And I don't even know how I got here. For real, it's fucked up. Woke up, slumping the chair, and still trying to.
Now, how about that? You see? Got the backdrop set up. Look at my light popping, and then it's gonna be a Reynolds.
Standing at a crossroads, you know, we asked with a laugh if I wouldn't mind getting my ass up out his chair. Seems I was in the wrong spot with no countenance to bounce against. I didn't know if this nigga was high. So the next step is to set up for lighting for the subject. And that in itself is going to be tough because I am the subject and it's going to be hard to set lighting for myself. So what I'm going to have to do is take a lot of clips of where I am in proximity of the lighting, how the camera's picking me up. Even with movement, you want to do movement so you can see how the camera is picking all of that up to make sure that that's all good. So I'm shutting down the set for today. Got some good shots in, got some good scenes on that little camera there. So I'm running back and get some of those, get some clips of those scenes, show y'all what I did. It's gonna be nice. Before we do all that, gotta do the breakdown. Tomorrow, it'll be day 3 of shooting. Tell money when you're shooting a lot of scenes for you. So that's 2 days of shooting. I've got the intro done, one of my character scenes done, and now I'm gonna do tomorrow for day 3, the scenes for my second.
Hey, yo, you know how you be trapped in your motherfucking skull, bro? Deep in your thoughts, and then that nigga in the inside start spitting some shit back? This how my conversation sound like.
My last night in Havana, better not miss the flight. Never wanna be stuck in some shit again like this, alright? And I don't even know how.